Rising majestically above El Salvador, the Santa Ana Volcano, or Yamatepec, stands as a testament to the Earth's fiery heart and the tales of civilizations past.
Today we tread the ancient grounds, climbing the steps of the mighty Santa Ana, a volcano steeped history and legends.
Long before modern records, indigenous population revered and respected the volcano. Its eruptions shaped land, legends, and lives.
Centuries ago, the people would have witnessed its eruption, interpreting them as messages from the gods, weaving them into the myths and rituals. Colonial records and travel tales from the 16th century onwards have chronicled its eruptions. Each burst of magma is a chapter in El Salvador's tumultuous history.
Amidst the fiery display, the land flourished. Fertile soils nurtured by volcanic ash turned the region into an agricultural heartland.
Today, the volcano is more than just a historical monument. It's a beacon for agriculture, with its rich soil providing for countless Salvadorian families.
In its calmer moments, the volcano cradles a stunning lagoon with its crater, its turquoise waters contrasting the rugged terrain.
Up here isn't just about breathtaking views. It's about feeling a connection, a bond with those who stood here before us, from ancient chieftains to curious explorers.
Santa Ana Volcano, or Yamatepec, remains a symbol of El Salvador's vibrant history and its ever-evolving relationship with the nature.
From its fiery hearts to its storied slopes, Santa Ana has shared its tale with us. Until the next chapter, keep exploring and cherish our planet's wonders.